I believe that education is a powerful weapon to change the world. As a teacher, we can make a difference on our students' lives. We have such a great impact by touching their hearts and their lives. Mabuhay! My name is Noime A. Negro. I hold a bachelor's degree in elementary education, major in English. I earned UNES in my master's in English language teaching and also in early childhood education. I am a licensed and a full-time classroom teacher in grade 1 with 30 students. I've been teaching for more than 19 years. I taught 5 subjects: reading and literacy, language, mathematics, good manners and right conduct, and social studies. I am passionate in teaching because I believe that no child must be left behind. In my class, I see to it that every student was able to learn my lesson every day. I used varied teaching strategies and differentiated instructions to meet the diverse needs of my students. I also integrate technology in my class to make my lesson fun, engaging, and interactive. Building rapport with my students play a vital role in teaching learning process. I let them feel that they are safe, valued, and motivated. I usually communicate my parents through chats, emails, phone calls, and parent-teacher conference to update on the performance and the behavior of their child inside the classroom, and also listen to the concerns and work together for their child's progress. I am excited to teach in the U.S. to share about our Filipino culture, care, respect, resilience, and value for education, because that is what Filipinos are known for. And at the same time, learning from the U.S. education system, the teaching strategies, and its culture that I could able to share it in my home country. I am a dedicated and a resilient kind of person. I exert my time, my effort to help students develop their full potential and contribute to their success.